Hello and welcome to Car Key Solutions. Today one of our customers called us in regards to his Porsche Cayman 2010. His remote, as you can see, stopped working and he doesn't have a spare key, so he called us to create a spare key for his car. So we'll take you through some of the steps that we do in order to create a spare key for this car. So first step would be decoding the actual blade. So with our automated cutting machines, we can decode the blades automatically. Then what we do is we cut the blade for the new key. After preparing the blank key, we need to start programming the key to the car's immobilizer. Now that all our tools are connected, we can start the programming procedure. Just doing some last-minute checks. Everything seems to be fine. Just call the customer and hand in the new key. Hi there, George. Could you tell us a few words about the experience you had with Car Key Solutions?
Yeah, it's been very good, very quick. I phoned last night, got a next day service, very cost effective, very good job.
Thanks a lot, George.